how to enable or disable text message pop-up on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Messages app. After click on Messages app, click on this profile icon. Scroll down and click on Message Settings. After click on Message Settings, click on, you will see second option is Notifications. Click on Notification. Here showing you last options, Notification Categories. Click on Notification Categories. After click on Notification Categories, click on Incoming Message. After click on Incoming Message, you will see here showing you pop-up. Here showing you notification pop-up. If you want to disable pop-up text message, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see text message pop-up is disabled. If you want to enable text message pop-up, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see text message notification is text message pop-up is enabled. You will enable or disable text message pop-up from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enable or disable text message pop-up on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.